Okay, hi. So my name's Ravinder, and we're at the Rent to Rent 4-day financial freedom challenge.
What's it been about?
And how am I finding it? You're saying?
Yeah, what's it been about? How are you finding it?
It's been. Oh, sorry, I messed it up. Is it gonna cut this part? Okay. So I've been finding it. It's like a lot of information to take in. I'm finding it really good. Mixing in with other people, and it's really good like for the networking side. I find it because the information, I have been to a few of the events as well, so it's quite similar, like mixing, but yeah, it's just been really good, and it's a lot to take in, and it's just something, it's really good at it because it makes you kind of like do it. Like right now we've just come back from an activity where we have to call the estate agent, so that's kind of nerve-wracking, but with this academy, like I'm finding it's just making us do the work instead of like, yeah, I'll do it, and then you don't end up doing it sometimes. So yeah, it's been great. Samuel, I saw his YouTube videos. Actually, he's first on Instagram. I saw his like page. Then it's like, I thought it might be a scam, but then like just watching his videos. Then I saw Jags here as well, so I watched his video, and I was like, okay, it's not a scam because it's our people are on there as well, so it's not just So from there, I've just joined. So yeah.
His presence is like on stage.
Samuel's, it's amazing. He just got a lot of energy and a lot of knowledge, so it's definitely, and he's got nothing to hide, like he just tells everything he knows, so that's what I love, because you do get people who know everything and they don't actually share any information, so he literally just tells you everything and he wants you to succeed, so that's the best part. Yeah. Okay. Sorry?
Have you seen any deals being landed like within the last 4 days? Like anyone like potentially getting viewers or?
Yeah, so literally just now from activity, the guy, Jet, he literally just called up and he literally just got a booking for a viewing. So it's literally like right now, we're just coming back from that activity and he's got a viewing. I done a few calls, wasn't successful, but it's like, yeah, we just keep trying. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Anyone who's thinking about coming down to the event, what would you say?
I would definitely say come, but I know this is the last live event, but it's definitely something not to be missed because you can still go to networking events and it's not something to be missed. Literally, like the stories you hear, like the guy started at the same time as me, he's already got his deal, already got his Airbnb ready, and that's in the space of like a month. So it's just, your life will change. So yeah, it'll be amazing.